So, hi guys, it's me, Alfredo Flores, and today, may introduce ko sa inyong bagong application kung saan pwede kang kumita ng PayPal money for free. So, before we start the tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button at notification bell para ma-notify ka every time na nag-upload ako ng panibagong video all about earning applications. So, without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So, in order to download this application, kindly click the link on the description box para ma-redirect kayo sa Play Store, or if you want to install it manually, kindly go to Play Store and search for the name of the application, which is Moneyflame. So, in order to download the application, kindly click the link on the description box at ma-redirect po kayo nun sa Play Store. So, if you want to do it manually, kindly go po sa Play Store and search for the name of the application, which is Moneyflame. So, install nyo lang po tong application na to, and after nyo pong ma-install, let's open the application. So, ang gagawin mo lang po dito is to collect gems, at ang other way of earnings naman po is through surveys po. Pero hindi ko po siya ginagamit. Naglalaro lang po ako. So, gaya nga ng sinabi ko po, kukolektahin nyo lang po yung gems. And avoid the falling debris po. So, ganun lang po. So, ang minimum payout po dito is 2,500 gems, which is $1 po, at pwede nyo po siyang ma-withdraw through PayPal at Paytm. So, ganun lang po. So, pwede pong $1, $3, at $5 po. Kailangan nyo pong, pag $1 po, kailangan nyo pong maka-earn ng 2,500 gems, at pag $3 naman po, 7,000 gems. Pag $5, 11,000 gems. So, madali nyo lang po yung makukuha if kung lalaruin nyo po siya araw-araw. So, that's it guys. By the way, ito namang bonus gems. Ito pong bonus gems, ano po siya, maka-earn ka po ng free gems after nyong maka-fill yung bar na yon. So, as you play the game, this bar will gradually fill. When the bar fully fills up, then you will get a bonus gems. So, yun din po. So, that's it guys. Hope you like the video, and sana magamit nitong application na to para maka-earn ng extra money. And bye guys. See you on my next vlog.